Hey guys, welcome to Chatgpt channel. Hope you guys having a very good day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Chatgpt to write an essay. So at first, just go to Chrome or Google on your phone. Search for chat.openai.com. So you need to have account to go to Chatgpt. Now click on the bottom search bar and write your desired essay, just like I'm searching for one. So after searching, ChatGPT may take a while to give you the essay. Just hold on. Here you can see ChatGPT is giving me the essay. So guys, here you can see ChatGPT has provided me the essay. Now I can just simply read the essay, or I can just simply just copy it like this. Simply copy it and paste it anywhere I want. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.